Claes here from JPro Studio. Here comes a video about our Switcher Pro. So let's have a look on our demo. So what is the Switcher Pro? Yeah, it's a switcher. You get these kind of switcher options where you can show different types. You have module, you have sublayouts, and you can do manual content there, of course. And you can style these tabs so they look a bit more custom if needed. So let's take a look here how it looks in the backend. So here I am on the demo site. Switcher, you can see here. So the first one is a module, and we support both module YOOtheme 5 and YOOtheme 4 to have some legacy support. If you have some website that is a bit slow to update, you know, we had a few of those, that's why we added both. Some of the large websites, you know, sometimes you don't want to update directly because you know that probably something is gonna break, so you want to have some more time. This is why we added YOOtheme 4 for your convenience, for our convenience. And you have section, you have row, you have sublayout. Row is a new thing that we added. It's very useful if you're using essential forms, because essential forms, when you add, you only have rows, you don't have sections. So with rows, you can actually have different parts of your form, in this case then different tabs. For example, you can have name, address, comments, blah blah blah. You can actually move through the different form, and it's the same form that gets sent. So that's actually kind of useful. Let's see, specifications. Yeah, so this is a section, so it actually loads a section. So we can take a look here. If we go to this, you will see here that here is a specification section, and this one has an ID, and when the ID is added, it gets added inside here, so it doesn't show anymore on the page, it's just inside the switcher or the tab there. Yeah, YouTube video is the same, it's just a section, but you can have there's nothing there now, but you can of course add anything you want inside that. Let's just take a look on this one. Yeah, YouTube, it's probably better we have a YouTube video there. So video, of course, you know, you understand, we can add anything here, like a YouTube video, whatever, you know, so it's convenient. A gallery, sublayout, you know, here we even added link to our Docman, so you could have a lot of different things, you know, added. And automate it, you know, so for example in this case it's a product where it can be very useful to have these different types of settings to set up, you know, a very advanced, you know, it could be file that is connected to the project, could be YouTube videos, more images, etc, 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 for a WooCommerce shop, for example. Yes, where in real life do we use this? Let's take a look at our, here we use this for our customer case, just like we use here. For example, you will see it loads these modules, which is a builder module, and this is our customer cases that we show like this, and we have different here, which is a very useful way of using the Switcher Pro. What else would I like to say about this one? Yeah, it's one of our popular, you know, it's got many updates, you know. We're up in the latest version is 2.3.3 now, so this one is probably like 3 years old now, or even more. I don't remember when the version 1 was released, but it's got a lot of updates, a lot of feature requests. Something I want to mention too, if you have an ID for a feature, please send it to us. You can use the contact form. We have a little feature request thing here, and just ask, you know, I was thinking maybe we can do this, or you email us. You find our email here. You can info at JPro Studio. You can also use the forum if you want to suggest something publicly, and a lot of times we can fix that quite fast for you, you know, to add the features. So please get back to us if you have any ideas. I think that's all I need to say about this one. We can just quickly take a look at here, the custom settings. So, you know, we have custom tabs, we have different, you know, the normal different ones here. But when you have the custom tabs param set, you can actually control how it looks. You can see here. So you can control a lot how it looks and make something a lot more custom, you know. And of course, you also have the option to add specific CSS to really nail down and make something custom that you can save and use on your page. Yeah, so that's all. You find it on jprostudio.com. No, not .com, jpro.studio. And that's it for me. Bye-bye.